This house looks closed, but it isn't. Facing the street, it shows almost nothing, a tall blank facade with no openings. But this is intentional. This is the TOMM House, designed by Mauricio Alonso in Mexico. Its design started with a very clear problem. The site is irregular, sloped, and located in a dense area with houses very close to each other. So instead of opening toward the street, the house does the opposite. It closes itself off and directs everything to the other side, toward the garden. And that's where everything happens. As you enter, you don't arrive in a fragmented layout. You step into a single space, an open, integrated area with double-height ceilings, including living, dining, kitchen, and lounge. Everything connected, with large openings facing the garden. The house does not open on all sides. It is directed, controlled, closed where needed, open where it makes sense. This solves two problems at the same time: privacy and natural light. The staircase is not just circulation, it works as a dividing element between the social space and the private area, without fully blocking light or views. Another important point is the materiality. The house works with three main materials: concrete, wood, and steel. Nothing is hidden. Everything is visible but still balanced. Concrete provides structure and weight. Wood brings warmth, and steel handles the lighter elements. This creates contrast, but without excess. The house was elevated, and this is not just an aesthetic choice. Below, there's the parking area. Above, the house opens completely to the greenery. This expands the usable space and creates a direct relationship with the outdoors. On the upper level are the bedrooms, all with large openings facing the garden and with access to outdoor areas. This maintains a constant connection with the exterior, even in the private spaces. The house was also designed to expand the garden. More than half of the site is left open. This is not common, but here it is part of the strategy. The house occupies less to gain more outdoor space. In the end, the TOMM House is simple to understand. It solves a difficult site, controls what it shows to the street, and opens everything toward the interior of the lot. A house that looks closed, but is actually fully open where it matters.